Luxury concrete homes. Explore modern design blending nature with indoor courtyards. Introduction: the intersection of luxury and nature. Welcome to ByGSTD, where we delve into the breathtaking world of architecture and design. Today, we explore the fascinating realm of luxury concrete homes that seamlessly blend modern design with the beauty of nature. These innovative structures redefine the concept of living spaces, creating environments that invite the outdoors in. As we take you on this journey, we encourage you to subscribe, like, and comment to share your thoughts and engage with our community. Let's dive into how these homes harmoniously incorporate indoor courtyards, redefining luxury living for a sustainable future. A new era of concrete design. Concrete, often perceived as cold and industrial, has undergone a remarkable transformation in luxury architecture. Designers are now leveraging its unique properties to create stunning, inviting spaces that radiate warmth and sophistication. The beauty of concrete lies in its versatility. It can be molded into intricate shapes and combined with other materials like wood and glass to enhance aesthetic appeal. This modern design approach allows for expansive open floor plans, creating fluid spaces that encourage social interaction and connection with nature. These homes challenge Embracing nature through design. In luxury concrete homes, nature plays a pivotal role in shaping the living experience. Architects are increasingly integrating natural elements into their designs, creating an inviting atmosphere that enhances well-being. Large windows, open-air spaces, and indoor courtyards blur the lines between the inside and outside, allowing homeowners to experience the tranquility of nature without leaving their homes. This integration not only beautifies the space but also promotes natural ventilation and light, reducing reliance on artificial heating and cooling. The role of indoor courtyards. Indoor courtyards are a hallmark of luxury concrete homes, serving as private retreats that enhance the living experience. These serene spaces allow for the cultivation of gardens, water features, or simply an area to relax and unwind. By bringing nature indoors, courtyards create microclimates that can be enjoyed year-round. The interplay of light and shadow, along with the sound of water trickling or the rustle of leaves, provides a sensory experience that invigorates the mind and soul. These courtyards also promote biodiversity, attracting various flora and Sustainable luxury, a harmonious balance. The focus on sustainability in luxury concrete homes is a significant trend that reflects a growing awareness of environmental impact. Architects are employing eco-friendly practices, using recycled materials, and incorporating energy-efficient systems. This commitment to sustainability goes hand in hand with luxury, proving that one does not have to sacrifice elegance for ecological responsibility. Rainwater harvesting, solar panels, and green roofs are just a few examples of how these homes minimize their carbon footprint while offering exquisite living. Innovative use of space. Luxury concrete homes are masterclasses in innovative space utilization. Open-concept layouts allow for flexibility and adaptability, accommodating the evolving needs of families. Designers create multifunctional areas that can serve as living, dining, and workspaces, all while maintaining a cohesive aesthetic. By prioritizing spaciousness and fluidity, these homes feel expansive, even in smaller footprints. Clever storage solutions and built-in furniture further enhance the practicality of these spaces, ensuring that luxury does not come at the cost of function. Blending traditional and contemporary elements. One of the most captivating aspects of luxury concrete homes is their ability to blend traditional and contemporary design elements. While concrete embodies modernity, it can be paired with warm materials like wood or stone to evoke a sense of timeless elegance. This juxtaposition creates spaces that are both visually striking and comforting. Architectural details, such as traditional arches or modern lines, can coexist, telling a story of heritage and innovation. This design philosophy not only honors the past but also embraces the future, making these homes truly unique. The psychological benefits of nature integration. Numerous studies have shown that integrating nature into living spaces has profound psychological benefits. Luxury concrete homes that incorporate natural elements promote mental well-being and reduce stress levels. The mere presence of greenery and natural light can enhance mood and productivity, making these homes sanctuaries of comfort and relaxation. By designing spaces that prioritize health and happiness, architects are revolutionizing the way we think about home design. These homes serve as reminders of the importance the future of luxury living. As we look to the future, luxury concrete homes are at the forefront of architectural innovation. With a focus on sustainability, wellness, and the integration of nature, these homes represent a significant shift in how we conceive luxury living. Architects and designers are continually pushing boundaries, experimenting with new materials and technologies to create spaces that are not only beautiful but also deeply connected to the environment. The future of luxury living is one where comfort and sustainability coexist, offering a glimpse into a more harmonious way of life. Conclusion: embrace the luxury of nature. In conclusion, luxury concrete homes exemplify the extraordinary potential of modern design to harmonize with nature. By incorporating indoor courtyards, sustainable practices, and innovative space utilization, these homes redefine what it means to live luxuriously. They invite us to rethink our relationship with our living spaces and the environment. As you explore the stunning possibilities these homes offer, we invite you to subscribe, like, and comment on your thoughts and experiences. Join us